Hi everyone, Mr. Allen here. We're just going to take a step aside here. Yesterday we looked at drawing lines of best fit on scatter plots, and I think one of the things you could probably see was when I'm drawing my line of best fit, it's kind of a little inaccurate. That could be my line of best fit, or I could say, well, maybe no, maybe it should be a little bit more like this. And of course, something right in between those two would probably be just as justifiable. It's a little bit inaccurate for us as simple human beings. So we're going to look at a second option here that's kind of a better option when we have to do this by hand. It's called median line. And so I'm going to post this for you so you can sort of see the step-by-step that the book goes through to explain it. But essentially what you're doing is you're taking the data and splitting it into three groups and then finding medians for each of the groups, hence the name median line. So I'll bring up the sheet that I actually want to bring up, this one here. So basically, if I look at this, I have 8 pieces of data. The best I can do if I want to split into 3 equal groups is this. So 3 over here, 3 over here, and 2 in the middle. It's kind of as even a distribution as I can go with. The median line now I'm going to establish by finding the medians of each of the various sections. So looking at this first section, I have 3 values. My median value going left to right is going to be this value right here. Going up and down, my median value is going to be this guy. And so my overall median, or the way we consider this, the overall median for this section is going to be the value kind of right in here where the x value is the same as this one, the y value is the same as this one. So that's the median sort of considered for the whole section. In this middle section, of course, there are only the 2 values. Their x values are the same, and the y value, the median of the y values would be kind of right in here, halfway between these. When I look at this final section, the median across is going to be one of these 2 values. Essentially, this is the first and this is the second, or vice versa, first and second. In either case, one of these is my median left and right. And of course, this value is my median up and down. And so this becomes my median for this section. Now, basically what I've done is I've gone from having 8 points of data, or in some cases, many more points of data, down to 3 main values that I want to work with. And now I'm going to put my line of best fit, or my median line really, basically right between those 3 values. So it fits as best we can with the 3 values that we've isolated as being the keys to the various areas. And what this does is it sort of gets us a little bit more of a consistent median line for any kind of hand-drawn scatter plot. Whereas at the start you saw I could have drawn 3 or 4 different lines of best fit, all of which would have been pretty close. In this case, still obviously there's some discrepancy as to how perfect my line would be, but because I'm sort of narrowed down to 3 main points that I'm working from, my line's going to be a lot more consistent overall.